Hi guys, in this video we use this image as a reference and using this model set image turbo font for our image, and I've been get a prompt to generate a nice realistic photo like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the ComfyUI, run it from the NVIDIA GPU. Okay, now let's go here to template and choose this model. Set image turbo font unit. Okay, to start using this model, we have to download those missing nodes by clicking right here for those. You can download it. Let's start downloading. Or you can copy the URL and add it to the EDM. Add URL. And okay, and begin download. Okay, I already downloaded those files. Download those files. Okay, let's choose. Keep opening this one. Close this EDM. And let's see, the first one takes encoder 3 of. Let's go here to ComfyUI. Choose models. The place we want to add those models. First one is the text encoder. Okay, Queen 3 borders. Second one, diffusion models set image. Here, the diffusion models. Z image typo BF60. Resonant models. Let's see third one. AA MV 80 AE. What is the Okay, final one. Model patches. Let's add this patch. And this one, model patches. Okay. Let's add this one right here. After adding those models, we have to reload these pages and see. Okay, it's fine. Okay, this is the requirements that I downloaded right now. A text encoder diffusion editors, VIE, model patches. After that, we have to load the image and that image turbo fan control the image. Okay, for this control image, you can use prompt for ChatGPT, or you can use this default image. Okay, let's use this default prompt for you can customize. And after that, you can save the new image. Okay, let's choose file. Let's choose this girl, for example, as image. And start. And let's see what's happening. Now, to create this realistic image from this, that I uploaded previously using this control image prompt, it takes around 7 minutes. But we have a nice result.